Welcome back, Crammers, to question 3. Negative 8 is less than 2y, which is less than or equal to 2. Y is an integer. Find all the possible values of y. First off, we have to divide everything here by 2. And our new equation is negative 8 divided by 2 is negative 4, which is less than y, which is less than or equal to 2 divided by 2 is 1. Find all the possible values of y, and since y is a value greater than negative 4, it has to be the integer right after. So that's negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, and we have less than or equal to 1. So we simply write here 1. Write down inequality shown on the number line. When it goes from negative to positive, we know that it's greater than, and since x is given here, we simply write x. And we can see that it is perpendicular to negative 1. Now, when dealing with inequality lines, a circle which is not colored in simply means greater than or less than. But a circle which is colored in means greater than equal to or less than equal to. Since it is not colored in, and we know that is going positive, we know that x is greater than negative 1. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.